In this video, I'm taking a look at this vertical multi-socket extension cord with an unboxing and initial review. Hi, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm taking a look at a pretty interesting product. This is a vertical multi-socket power strip that I purchased on Amazon, and it looks interesting. And I always kind of thought something like this would be useful, especially when I'm in a conference room at work or somewhere else where there's never enough power outlets. Or when I go on vacation with my kids and my wife and we go to a hotel room and there's like one wall outlet and we all need to plug in our phones and charge our other devices. So I picked this up because I thought specifically for the use case personally of like I said, like a hotel room on vacation, traveling, something like this might come in pretty useful. And so basically this has, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outlets and a handful of USB connections for phones and, other things that charge with a USB connection. It's it's basically exactly what it looks like here. So I'm going to take a look at this, unbox it, and just take a quick check it out. Basically, 10 amp, rated voltage, 110 to 250 volts. Maximum power output is 2,500 watts. Hopefully, ABS fireproof material. Hopefully it's safe. Has a overload protector, and USB 5 volts at 2.1 amps. And it has obviously a cable. So let's just do a quick unboxing of this and take a look at what it looks like. Now, the Amazon description showed this in blue, even though here it shows black. So yeah, so that is correct. It is blue. So looks like it has, I'm assuming this is probably about a 5 or 6 foot cable attached to it. The brand, which is kind of interesting, is I'm not even going to try to pronounce this. I don't know what that what that brand is. FGX JKGH. I don't know what that actually says. But basically, this is, here you go. So pretty straightforward, forward looking, and there's 2 switches on top. So I'm assuming that turn on and off half of the power outlets. And you have basically, like I said, 8 power outlets and 4 USBs, and it looks like a 2.1 amp, a 1 amp, a 2.1 amp, and a 1 amp. So kind of alternating outputs on the USBs. Yeah, so this is basically it. There's not much to it. Let me plug this in over here. So, looks like if you plug that on or turn that on, you get the red LED. I don't know if it's an LED or just a regular light for that. And I guess if we just tested something really quickly, so here I'll just kind of plug in my iPhone. So it's charged, but So it's charging, obviously. Let's try the 1 amp. It's charging. Yeah, so these work. I wouldn't suspect they wouldn't work, but so those work. And then the same thing here. Plug something in. Oh, I don't have anything. I don't have anything to test right here with this, but obviously, so that's how it works. Yeah, so this is definitely going to come in handy. It looks like you can kind of wrap the cord around here to store it. It's got some rubber feet on the bottom so it doesn't slip around. I'm assuming this is sort of the fuse reset. So if this thing trips the fuse or the overload protector inside, that's probably what this is to reset it. There's no directions in there, so I guess not too complicated to understand. And looks like a fairly good product. So definitely look forward to using this, like I said, on vacation or other situations where I only have one outlet and I need to plug a bunch of stuff in. Thanks again for watching. This is Andrew from T is for Tech, and I'll see you next time.